Page 16, Exercise 6. Pronunciation. Linked sounds. Part A. Listen and practice. Final consonants are often linked to the vowels that follow them.
How much are these pants?
They're $48.
And how much is this sweater?
It's $37.
Page 17, Exercise 8. Conversation. Shopping. Part A. Listen and practice.
Look, these jackets are nice. Which one do you like better?
I like the wool one better.
Really? Why?
It looks warmer.
Well, I prefer the leather one. It's more attractive than the wool one.
There's no price tag.
Excuse me, how much is this jacket?
It's $499. Would you like to try it on?
Oh, no, that's okay. But thank you anyway.
You're welcome.
Page 17, Exercise 8, Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. 1. What does Anne buy? 2. What does Sue think of it?
Wow, that jacket is really expensive. I don't want to spend that much money.
Oh, look, there are some things on sale over there.
Ooh, you're right. These T-shirts are really nice, and they're cheap, too. I like this one with the bird on it.
That is nice, and the colors are really pretty.
Great. I'll take it.
Page 18, Exercise 9. Grammar focus. Preferences. Comparisons with adjectives.
Which one do you prefer?
I prefer the leather one.
Which one do you like better?
I like the leather one better.
Which one do you like more?
I like the leather one more.
That one is nicer than the wool one.
This one is cheaper than the wool one.
The leather jacket is prettier than the wool one.
It looks bigger than the wool one.
It's more attractive than the wool one.
Nice, nicer. Cheap, cheaper. Pretty, prettier. Big, bigger. Good, better.